Hello, YouTube. This is Jay Coder back with another stream, and today I'm going to be going over a tool that will allow us to generate website code that can help us to learn HTML more quickly. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as you can see here on the webpage, I am at huggingface.co/spaces, and this is an AI tool called Gwen 2.5 Coder Artifacts, which these spaces on the Hugging Face website, they are free tools that we can try out. And today in this broadcast, I'm going over Gwen 2.5 coder artifacts specifically. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that from the Spaces website. And we're presented with this screen. Essentially, we can quickly make a web page and um, just by giving this tool a prompt, and it will generate the necessary code for the web page and the necessary uh, the actual interface for the the code is that the code generates as well. So let's go ahead and try this out. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and tell it to make a template web page of a company, including an about and contact section, a home, about, and contact section. So I'm going to say make a company website template of a make a company website template containing a home page, contact, and about page. And so let me go ahead and hit the send button to see what that does. And as you can see, it actually went ahead and did the code to generate this template and with the home, about, and contact page. And that was probably less than half a second. And so after we have done that, we can scroll down here to where it says view code button and click on that button, and it shows us the exact code that was used to create this website. So for those of you that are learning web development and are learning HTML, you can quickly spin up these examples of the website templates so that you can see how these web pages are created and how production HTML code is used. And so you can very well see our HTML code here, and you can quickly learn how it is used for because we are going over our HTML lessons. All right, and so you can view the code here, and you can also look at your history where we, prompted it to do this, and then it returned the code to us and the visual UI as well. And you can click on these examples, such as this example that says Gwen Start. Help me design an interface with a purple button that says Gwen Start. When the button is clicked, display a countdown from 5 in a very large font for 5 seconds. So I went ahead and clicked that, and it automatically filled the prompt box here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit send, and it produced that code. And so I have a purple button here that I'm going to click. and it produced the necessary code to start a timer from 5 to 1. And that's what this prompt says here. And then here's another one, a to do list, which it automatically populated the prompt here. Let me actually, before I hit send on that one, I wanted to show you guys the code for this button. So we have our CSS styling here in the style tag, and then inside the body we have some HTML and our JavaScript inside the script tag. So it has very little HTML because it's a button, and it has JavaScript and CSS. Okay, and so I wanted to show you guys that example. And so lastly, I'm going to refresh the page here. And lastly, I wanted to show you guys this last part really quick as soon as the page loads here. And this is a very useful tool when learning web development. You can come here and be able to see the different um, examples, and you can type in your own instructions for it to make a web template page. For some reason, it's giving me some trouble loading here, but anyway, I okay, here we go. We're back. And I wanted to show you the to-do list. So I want a to-do list that allows me to add tasks, delete tasks, and I would like the overall color theme to be purple. They seem to like purple. I like purple too. But you can go ahead and hit the send button, and it produces the code on the side, and then it says to-do list, add a task, go to the store and re- watch TV, eat dinner. All right, so that's what we have for the to-do list, and it looks very nice, and it keeps track of the list of items that we add to it. And yeah, I would encourage you guys to play around with this. And again, I'm going to, since this is a coding channel, I'm going to, you know, reveal the code to you guys. Whereas, you know, it has the style inside the style tag, and then it has it has the HTML with the to do list title, the input where you will enter a task, and then it has the task list that will populate once it is entered in the new task, and here's the JavaScript to take care of that. And yeah, even if you're a beginner in web development and HTML, you can use this tool to learn a lot and exactly see how real world applications look like, or you can get inspired even if you are a developer that's been doing it for a while. You can use this tool to quickly get components going and quickly see an example to supplement the code that you already have, or to develop faster in general. And well, I hope this is useful to you all. I wanted to show you guys this today, and happy web development. And as always, stay coding. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.